Let's go now to the latest in Buffalo, New York. Piles of snow still lining the streets. A travel ban was lifted today, but the recovery is just beginning. Nearly 40 people are confirmed dead there, and that number could rise as the snow melts. The city is also bracing for flooding, with temperatures now rising, and the National Weather Service saying that if there is flooding, it should be minimal.
Meantime, Washington is getting a weather break today. Our western neighbors like California, parts of Oregon, Nevada, also Colorado, they're all getting hammered. Thousands, tens of thousands of people right now are without power. And California is gearing up for excessive rain, and that could possibly lead to mudslides. Let's check in with Leah Pazzetti now. So, the weather going to be mild considerably?
Yeah, I think it's relative. Will it be sunny? No. Will we see an ice storm in the lowlands like we did last week? Also no. We are expecting widespread rain to return tonight, but this does look to be the final really big storm of 2022. Heaviest impacts are going to be overnight tonight. Spotty showers will continue into tomorrow and Saturday morning, but New Year's Eve is actually looking to be pretty dry. Snow levels will stay above about 3,000, 3,500 feet. However, we could see up to another foot or so possible at our highest elevations with this next system that is arriving tonight. So daily rainfall for today so far pretty minimal. Shelton about 1/3 of an inch, SeaTac picking up 5/100 of an inch. So it was a little damp today, but certainly not widespread rain. However, this system that is heading our way does look to bring a little bit more rain than what we saw earlier this morning. So we can see as of right now, we're just talking about spotty showers, but into the next couple of hours, this system moves in. It does look to bring widespread rain to Puget Sound and then also snow for the mountains. And look at that east of the mountains as well. So if you're doing any travel east of the Cascades, get ready because this snow does look to then push east. Into tomorrow, it lingers, it's spotty, but the worst of it should be overnight tonight. So look at all that purple for the Cascades and then eastern Washington as well. These are winter weather advisories that are in place because of this system. So what we're keeping an eye on is the Cascades right now. So this winter weather advisory continues until 4 p.m. tomorrow. Like I said, up to a foot of snow is possible, but it does look like probably closer to 6 to 9 inches for most of our local passes. We are also going to see winds picking up during this time frame as well. So really for the next couple of hours, it'll stay pretty mild, but look at this tomorrow morning. Check out these gusts. It's going to be blustery tomorrow. Really Everett and then south could see gusts up to 45, 50, maybe even 50 miles per hour. So this rain mixed with these gusty winds, it's going to be very blustery out there. So into this evening, like I said, spotty showers. Then into tonight, excuse me, right around midnight is when we're going to see these widespread impacts. Moderate to heavy rainfall is possible at times. It's looking like 10 to 2 a.m. tonight are going to be the sweet spot. By tomorrow morning, spotty showers linger, and then that's really going to be the big story into tomorrow. Most of our daytime hours is spotty lingering showers. Overnight lows tonight, pretty mild. We're going to see lows in the low 40s, and then daytime highs for tomorrow, a little bit warmer than what we felt today. So mid to upper 40s, could even see some 50s on the map for tomorrow. So a tiny bit warmer. And I know we are all looking forward to New Year's Eve. It does actually look like we're going to dry out by the time New Year's Eve rolls around. So should be a pretty nice Saturday night for us. And that's actually really our big, our only dry spell as we take a look at our 7-day forecast. So we have that rain tonight, spotty showers into tomorrow and Saturday. Then Sunday we dry out, New Year's Day. Then more rain returns for the start of 2023.